Okay guys, these are the directions for your bioindicator lab. So basically what you're going to get is you're going to get a bunch of cards. Some of the cards are going to be site cards. Some of the cards are going to be organism cards. Okay, so basically what you do is you take a site card and you see which organisms can live there. Okay, some sites might only have one organism, some might have 12. I can't remember how many organism cards you have, but there'll be several. Okay, so basically what you do is you look at what the temperature, the dissolved oxygen, the pH is like at that site. So this one has 14 degrees Celsius, 7 to 8 milligrams per liter dissolved oxygen, and 6.0 is the pH. So I come over here to the freshwater shrimp, okay, and I can look at any one of these numbers. So I'm looking at temperature first. So for it to live there, it has to have a temperature of 15 to 25. So I look down here. So I'm looking at temperature, 15 to 25. 14 is below 15. So I already know, just by looking at that the freshwater shrimp cannot live there. So on my paper where I wrote Site 1, okay, I do not write freshwater shrimp because it cannot live there. Okay, even if the dissolved oxygen and pH would work, it still can't live there, because if you look at the dissolved oxygen for the shrimp has to be greater than or equal to 6.5. 7 to 8 is greater than 6.5. So that's good. Okay, this one's bad. That's good. Then if I look at the pH has to be greater than or equal to 6.5 to 8.2. The pH here is 6. 6 is not greater than 6.5. So that one's no good. So the freshwater shrimp cannot live in Site 1. So you do not write it down. Okay? So what you're looking for is you are looking for the bioindicators that can survive in that site. If they can live there, if all three pieces of the criteria allow it to live there, then you will write down the name of the organism, like freshwater shrimp. Do not write macroinvertebrate. Okay? So you're writing the name of the organism. If you have any questions, email me. But again, some of these sites will only have one organism. Some of them might have 12. It just depends. Easiest way to do this is for each person to take one site card and then for you to pass the organisms around. And each person does one, and then you share what you got with each other. Okay? So, good luck. If you have any questions, email me.